What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Busch Gardens Tampa for a little construction update for Tigris and RMC Gwazi, or anything else that happens to be going on. There's a lot to see. Let's go. Alright, so welcome to the storage lot, and well, right off the bat, I'm not seeing anything new when it comes to track deliveries, unfortunately. Hopefully soon we'll get some new ones. However, this over here is new, as we have some very large pieces for a very large crane starting to arrive. And I'm thinking that's going to be for Tigris once it starts going into the air a little bit higher. Some other equipment that's also arrived for that crane. Again, one final look at all of the supports and the few track pieces that are here. Hopefully we'll have some more in the coming weeks. We'll also have that crane in the air. Let's head back over to the park now. No wait to get through security or through the front entrance, and we are on our way inside the park. Hello, old friend, we meet again. Here we have the station area again, looking a little bit rough. But I'm expecting, of course, once everything is getting closer to completion, they'll do a nice little touch-up on this area. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the station area because I thought I saw something new. I'm not 100% sure if this was used for unearthed or it's actually deconstruction going on, as we have some black tarps right there. So again, at least I haven't noticed it since our last updates, but new to me. And nothing new over here at the former on-ride photo booth for Gwazi. I'm still seeing the Fast and Furious ladder, but no other deconstruction or markings around, unfortunately. Well, different from our last update, Gwazi Park is now open. We'll walk over here to see if we can notice anything different. And this is just about as far as we can go, as we see the work walls right here, and Gwazi's structure right there. Alright, so here is a quick look at Tigris, and judging off of what we saw inside the storage lot, well, there were no new track pieces delivered, and there were no new support pieces delivered, and nothing was missing from over there. So that told us right off the bat, well, no new vertical construction. There's a couple other odds and ends going on, like concrete pours for the station floor, that we'll check out. Now, we didn't see anything missing from the storage lot, but there is a crane in the air for some reason. And through the bushes and trees, we can see the next set of supports waiting for the rest of their companions so they can go into the air. Again, 2 supports right there. And then another view again of that bright orange track.
Thanks for watching out today.
Yeah, more.
Alright, so now we're taking a ride on Falcon's Fury so that we can get a view of Tigris from the air. We can see the crane is removing something.
Adding something.
I think that's removal, actually. I don't know.
That was a crane from the storage lot earlier today.
Ah, they're putting the crane together. That's what they're doing. So they're putting the crane together, and we can see some of the pieces right there.
Yes.
Along with track from Tigris and the supports. Yeah, we can definitely see the large crane is starting to get work done.
See it, Jeff?
And you see it for a second, but now it's time to drop. Bye.
Go, Liam.
The Phoenix. Well, it's still closed. Said it was down for annual maintenance. Well, it's been annual for quite a while. We know the seats have been refurbished and everything else has pretty much been done, but the ride still remains closed. Scorpion, and we're going to talk about that ride for just a second as it's back from annual maintenance, and guess what? It has some new harnesses, as in new coverings, and they look really nice. We'll show you real quick.
Once the coasters come to a complete stop and the lap bars have been released, please gather up behind the Scorpion and hopefully you'll enjoy the remainder of your stay here.
So yeah, same harnesses and all that, just refreshed. Looks really nice. Apparently the seats are much comfier now, so when you take some of the higher G-forces, you sink into the seat a little bit instead of just getting jarred around. Well, all is quiet on the Cheetah Hunt front, and in fact, Cobra's Curse and Montu as well, because the whole south area of the park has lost power. Hopefully it's going to come back just a little bit later. We can enjoy some more rides, but as of right now, no hunting of cheetahs. Pink chickens! Pink chickens everywhere. Hi there, Pink Chicken.
Delicious.
Wow, he's up in your grill.
I want it. Give it.
Uh-oh.
He's
I'm not
like,
sticking my hand in there.
that was funny though. He's like,
I have an idea, but I'm not going to say do it. Oh, there's another one. This one's even bluer, or pinker.
it's like paparazzi.
We like shrimp. That's what gives us our color, dumbass.
He's coming back towards you.
Nope, he's going for food.
Nailed it.
Well, that's one way to get your food.
Face first.
Depends on how bad it's. I mean, is it flopping or?
Oh, he's hungry.
Florida Cottonmouth, and he's very, very active right now. Alrighty guys, let's check out the wait times. The park is open until 10 p.m. And remember, we had a little bit of issue with power, and we can see Cheetah Hunt is still closed. Cobra's Curse 20 minutes. Montu and Flume delayed. Falcon's Fury 45 minutes. Shikra also delayed. Kumba 35 minutes. Scorpion 30 minutes. Sand Serpent 60 minutes. Well, since there's not too many other things to do, we decided hop aboard the sing-along train. Well, guys, that's going to do it for our short video here from Busch Gardens Tampa for a little Tigris and RMC Gwazi construction update. It's good to see that a very large crane is starting to rise into the air, and it won't be too much longer before Tigris joins it. Of course, we'll keep you updated as things happen with Gwazi. But if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.